Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the spare tire on a Nissan Versa note. First, gather tools like a lug wrench, jack, and gloves. Make sure the car is stable, on level ground, and the parking brake is set. Use wheel chocks if available. Keep the ignition off and the key removed while you work. Stay calm and take each step deliberately to avoid injury or vehicle damage. Next, open the hatch and lift the trunk floor to expose the spare tire and toolkit. Remove the jack, lug wrench, and any retaining clips carefully. Inspect each piece for damage so you don't struggle later. Set tools on a cloth to avoid scratches and keep track of small parts. Position the spare close to the wheel you will be working on for easy access and a smoother change. Loosen the lug nuts 1/2 turn while the car still sits on the ground, then position the jack at the manufacturer's lift point. Raise the vehicle until the tire clears the pavement and finish removing the lug nuts. Pull the flat tire straight off, set it aside, and mount the spare by aligning bolt holes. Hand thread lug nuts to secure the wheel, lower the car, and then tighten lug nuts in a star pattern with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.